Wrap the faucet of the bathroom with towel paper and discover what will happen. Also, if you watch the full video, I will show you the reason why you should hook a balloon on the faucet key. And if the faucets in your bathroom have started to accumulate rust, for the final part I will show you a way to avoid it, using only a candle. So let's get to know what it's for. Wrap the faucet with towel paper. It's very simple. First, take a piece of towel paper and then soak it with a little cleaning vinegar. We will apply the vinegar all over the faucet. Take advantage now and let me know from which country you are watching me to send you a special greeting. Today's greeting is addressed to Jasmine Paredes from Uruguay. Thanks for watching each tip. You can also apply vinegar on the lid of your faucet. For the next step, we soak the towel paper again with vinegar and wrap the faucet with the paper. And in the same way, we soak another piece of paper and tie it at the top. We place the next piece in the sink and let all this act for about 30 minutes. As time passes, I will show you the reason why you should hang a balloon on the faucet. We take a latex balloon and fill it with vinegar. Then we tie it around the mouth of the faucet and let it rest for about 30 minutes, just like the towel paper. After the time, first we remove the balloon with the vinegar. By doing this, we ensure that the faucet key is released from clogging caused by the salt water and that it draws a lot of water again as usual. Now we remove the towel paper and then wash the faucet as usual. We rinse with enough water and then dry it. Thanks to this, the faucet hand washer will be free of the stains of water and dirt that usually appear on the edges. Next, I will teach you how to prevent the faucet from oxidizing using a candle. We will rub the candle well throughout the faucet until it is marked with the candle. Then we take a dry towel and rub it well throughout the faucet. By doing this, the wax will be adhered to the faucet and will make it water resistant, so that the drops of water will not oxidize it over time. If you have come this far, let me know which of these tricks was your favorite. And remember to subscribe to our channel for more content like this.